Tiger's JAX-T multifunction micorn rice cooker cooks much more than rice. Available in a 5.5 cup size or 10 cup size, prepare your favorite main dish and rice simultaneously. With the innovated to-cook plate, rice cooks on the bottom while a main dish steams conveniently on top without intermingling flavors. Choose from 10 settings to prepare a variety of dishes, meat, fish, or veggies, and different types of rice, white, brown, jasmine, and more. Just plug in the JAX-T multifunction micorn rice cooker, select a menu, and start cooking with no need to use the stove or oven. Easily prepare full, healthy meals with endless possibilities that are both fun and convenient. When you're done, the JAX-T multifunction micorn rice cooker cleans up in a snap. Just wipe it off with a sponge, then pat dry, and that's all there is to it. Let's look at the operation panel, where you will find the Keep Warm lamp, the Keep Warm cancel button, timer key, timer lamp, menu key, display which shows the menu cursor and present time, etc., hour and minute keys, start key, and start lamp. We've even included the following accessories: a spatula, ladle, cooking plate, measuring cup, and cookbook. Some of the menu options and features include plain synchro-cooking. Select this option when cooking white rice and when using the cooking plate to cook rice and side dishes together. The quick setting for use when cooking white rice quickly. The porridge setting, used for making porridge. The mixed sweet setting, used for cooking seasoned rice or steamed glutinous rice. The brown setting for cooking brown or multigrain rice. The multigrain setting for use when cooking multigrain rice like barley, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, black rice, or red rice together with white rice. To cook rice, fill the measuring cup level and even with the top. A level measuring cup equals about 0.18 liters or 3/4 of a cup. Always use the amount of rice specified in this chart for best results. Now wash the rice in water below 95 degrees Fahrenheit until the water runs clear. Then place the pot on a level surface. Now add water to the appropriate level on the scale inscribed in the pot. Then wipe off any water on the outer surface and brim of the pot. Next, wipe off any water or grains found in the cooker itself, paying special attention to the lid and gasket, heating plate, center sensor, upper casing, and open lock button. Now place the pot in the rice cooker and close the lid. If the Keep Warm lamp is on, press Cancel to turn off the lamp. Now press the menu key to select the desired setting. Then press the Start button and cooking will begin. Once the final steaming process begins, the remaining time will display and count down in 1-minute increments. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and the Keep Warm function will automatically engage. Be sure to stir and loosen the rice when cooking completes. Also, be sure to wipe off any hot water that collects on the upper casing or outside the rice cooker when you open the lid after cooking. When you're done using the rice cooker, press the Keep Warm Cancel button to turn off. You can use the cooking plate to cook side dishes described in the supplied cookbook at the same time as you cook rice. You can also add water to the inner pot and cook side dishes without making rice. Begin by preparing the ingredients and place them in the cooking plate. Next, make the necessary preparations for cooking rice. Now, place the cooking plate in the rice cooker and close the lid. Then use the menu key to select plain synchro-cooking. Now press the Start key. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and Keep Warm mode will activate. Then remove the cooking plate and stir the rice to loosen it. When you're done using the rice cooker, press the Keep Warm Cancel button to turn off the unit. The rice cooker has a slow cooking feature that brings food to near boiling, then gradually lowers the temperature to simmer. Flavors are enhanced and liquids do not boil down over time. Begin by preparing the ingredients, then add them to the inner pot. Be sure to reference the plain scale on the inner pot. Then close the lid. Next, use the menu key to select Slow Cook. Now use the hour and minute keys to set the desired cooking time. Next, press the Start key. When cooking is complete, an alarm will sound and Keep Warm mode will activate. Enjoy the best in health and convenience for you and your family. Tiger, healthy, balanced, better.